What if you could wake up tomorrow, check your phone, and see that you made money while you were sleeping? No clocking in, no boss, no trading hours, just income flowing in automatically. The wealthy don't trade time for money forever. They build assets that generate income whether they're working, relaxing, or asleep. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful assets that can make you rich while you sleep, and how you can start building them today. And stick around for asset number 4 because most people think it's a hobby, but for the top 1%, it's a gold mine. Let's build wealth the smart way. The first asset is dividend-paying stocks. When you buy shares of companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Johnson & Johnson, you're not just buying a ticker symbol, you're buying ownership in a business. And many of these businesses share profits with investors through dividends. Imagine getting a notification that you just got paid simply because people bought a soda or an iPhone. You invest once. The company works every day. You get paid even while you sleep. The second asset is cash-flowing real estate. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset class. When you own rental property, tenants pay the mortgage, property values appreciate, and you collect monthly income. If you don't want to manage property yourself, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate just like stocks. The third asset is digital products. This is one of the most scalable assets in the modern economy. You create it once and sell it over and over again. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a template, your knowledge becomes an asset. No inventory, no shipping. You can literally wake up to sales notifications from customers around the world. The fourth asset is an automated online business. This could be affiliate marketing, a niche website, or a YouTube channel. The magic word here is automation. You build systems like email sequences and sales funnels. At first, it requires effort, but once optimized, the machine runs with minimal involvement. This is how entrepreneurs detach their income from their hours worked. The fifth and most powerful asset is equity in scalable businesses. This means owning part of something that can grow exponentially. Employees trade time for money, owners build assets, and the biggest wealth transfers in history have come from ownership, not salaries. Here's the pattern. The wealthy focus on assets over liabilities and ownership over employment. You don't need to build all 5 at once. Start with 1. Master it. Reinvest the profits. Take one small action before you go to bed tonight. Stop being the architect of someone else's dream. Start being the architect of your own wealth. Subscribe to Wealth Architect right now. Hit that button and join a community of future builders. Your future self will thank you. This is Wealth Architect, and we'll see you in the next video.